Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. So you guys, today we are doing some fall makeup. Like, this is the most wonderful time of the year. They said Christmas, it's fall for me, so I wanted to do like a brown smoky eye. I think I did one last year, but I can't remember. But yeah, I wanted to do a brown smoky eye, and she's giving everything she was supposed to give. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then stay tuned.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna play deep. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill me on my foot, flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill me on my foot, flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 deep. I wanna play deep.
you guys. So this concludes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like this look. Let me know down below what you want to see in my future videos. If you want more makeup look, more fall makeup looks, or more hair looks, just give me some ideas. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you're here and you have not subscribed. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.